Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing healthy masala peanuts recipe. These masala peanuts are baked and non-fried, and that makes them a super healthy snack for the whole family. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy baked masala peanuts, into my small stone grinder, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon whole black peppercorns. And I'm crushing and grinding the black peppercorns. Once the black peppercorns are crushed, I am adding in 4 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger. I am just roughly chopping and adding in. And I am making a ginger, garlic and pepper paste. Ginger, garlic and black pepper paste is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. Into a sieve, I'm adding in 2 cups of organic raw peanuts. That is 2 cups of raw organic peanuts. We need to wet the peanuts, and for that I'll be washing and rinsing the peanut. I'll just keep this underneath the running water to make the peanuts wet. The peanuts are rinsed under running water. This is to make the peanuts wet. Add the wet strained peanuts into the bowl. Into the peanuts, I am adding in 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. So this is 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Give this a mix. Add in the ginger, garlic, black pepper paste, basin flour, also known as chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder has less heat, so if you are using ordinary chili powder, reduce by half. 1 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1.5 tablespoon rice flour. This is roasted brown rice flour, 2 tablespoon arrowroot powder. And now mix all this really well into the peanuts. You're sort of marinating the peanuts with the flours. You just need to coat the peanuts with the flours. Since the peanuts are wet and has been lightly coated with the wood pressed groundnut oil, it is easy for the peanuts to coat with the flours. As you can see, the peanuts has already coated with the flours. The 2 important factors which helps the peanuts to coat with the flours are, one is to make sure that the peanuts are wet and then you need to strain it. Second, you need to coat it with wood pressed groundnut oil, or you can use any wood pressed oil of your choice. So these 2 things will help the peanuts to coat. Now into this I am sprinkling in 2 tablespoon water. And then I'm just giving it a nice mix. This will make the peanuts double coat the flours, and eventually that will help the peanuts to be crispy and crunchy. And lastly, I'm sprinkling in 1 teaspoon roasted rice flour. Mix and coat the peanuts. I have lined my baking tray with parchment paper, and I'm spreading the peanuts on the baking tray. And bake in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the peanuts are roasted and crispy. Halfway through, lightly stir the peanuts. After 15 minutes, the peanuts are nicely baked. I'm going to allow it to cool down slightly in the pan itself, and then I'll transfer to an airtight glass container. Each peanut is nicely coated with the masala. It's super crispy and crunchy. The whole family can enjoy this super healthy snack. So guys, do try this healthy baked masala peanuts recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.